Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Hello, friends. Today, let's learn about different kinds of shops. Listen and learn with me. This is a supermarket. You can buy food and drinks here. This is a bakery. You can buy bread and cakes here. This is a butcher shop. You can buy meat here. This is a fish market. You can buy fresh fish here. This is a greengrocer. You can buy fruits and vegetables here. This is a grocery store. You can buy food and household items here. This is a clothing store. You can buy clothes here. This is a shoe store. You can buy shoes here. This is a toy store. You can buy toys for children here. This is a bookstore. You can buy books here. This is a pharmacy. You can buy medicine here. This is an electronics store. You can buy phones, TVs, and more. This is a furniture store. You can buy chairs, beds, and tables here. This is a pet shop. You can buy things for pets in this store. This is a flower shop. You can buy flowers here. This is a makeup store. You can buy makeup and beauty products here. This is a gift shop. You can buy gifts and small things here. This is a jewelry store. You can buy rings and necklaces here. This is a hardware store. You can buy tools and home items here. This is a barber shop. Men get haircuts here. This is a hair salon. People get haircuts and styling here. This is an ice cream shop. You can buy ice cream here. This is a coffee shop. You can drink coffee and eat snacks here. This is a restaurant. You can eat meals here. This is a fast food restaurant. You can buy burgers and fries here. This is a music store. You can buy instruments or CDs here. This is a sports shop. You can buy sports clothes and gear here. This is a stationery shop. You can buy pens, notebooks, and paper here. This is a mobile shop. You can buy phones and phone cases here. This is an optician. You can get glasses or eye tests here. Great job! Now you know 30 kinds of shops. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.